Ako Bicol Party List Solo and Elizalde Co's extended absence from work in the lower house and the latest statements in the Senate Blue Ribbon probe implicating him of taking $500 million in flood control allocations has fueled public anger in the ire of his peers, one of whom took the liberty today to file an ethics violation petition against him, as our Mela Lismoras reports.
Navota City Representative Toby Chanco has formally filed an ethics complaint against Ako Bicol Party List Representative Saldico. In the letter complaint he submitted to the House Committee on Ethics and Privileges, Chanco mainly accused Ko of violating the Constitution after he allegedly led and allowed questionable insertions to the 2025 national budget when he was still chair of the House Committee on Appropriations. Also included as grounds for the complaint are Ko's frequent absences in the lower house, reportedly due to medical reasons, as well as other violations of house rules for his personal interest. During today's Senate Blue Ribbon Committee hearing, former DPWH Bulacan District Engineer Henry Alcantara also directly named Ko as one of those who supposedly received kickbacks from flood control projects in Bulacan. According to Chanco, he will file a supplemental complaint regarding this.
Definitely, dapat may gawin kaming aksyon para manumbalik yung tiwala ng tao. Nakita naman natin yung rally nung linggo, galit talaga yung tao, no? At I don't think my opinion is that hindi nila tatanggapin na ang mananagot lang, contractor, DPWH lang. Lalong-lalo na ngayon, pinangalanan na si Saldico, no? Hindi ko sa tingin ko dapat makita natin yung galit ng tao.
With the seriousness of the accusations Ko is facing, Chanco was asked if it was time to expel him as a lawmaker, to which he responded by saying,
Not only expulsion, that's plunder, di ba? That's plunder.
For its part, the House Committee on Ethics and Privileges assured fair handling of the complaint.
Rest assured, sa lahat ng complaints na darating sa amin, we will be deciding the same based on the verified complaint. That is why I want to remind our members that the proper forum is to file with the Committee on Ethics. Gusto po natin impartial ang trial ng lahat, and we always leave it to the collective wisdom of not only the committee but also the plenary.
In a statement, Representative Saldico strongly denied the accusations hurled against him in the Senate. He said he would answer the allegations against him at the proper time and forum. Mela Lismoras from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.